Missing someone.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cruise Sin City. Today I want to take you on an adventure with me while I'm shooting 3 different videos. If you count this one, it'll be 4 different videos. I'm going to try to blast out the taping of 4 different videos in one day. It's not going to be easy. I've got some really cool stuff coming up. This video should post before the other 3 do because of the editing and everything, post-production, that kind of thing. We've got one, I'm going to do a review on the seat. I'm going to adjust my handlebars today, talk about my motovlog setup that I've got going on. So come with me today on my adventure, running around, doing all this stuff. I'm gonna try to do 3 different sets, if you will, one downtown, one on the strip, one out here in beautiful Red Rock. That way they're all kind of different, but I'm gonna shoot them all in one day, and I wanna take you guys with me while I'm doing that. So the first thing we're gonna do today is the bar adjustment video inside the garage. Before I get started on that video though, I need to set up my lights and my camera, my GoPro, all that stuff, because I'm gonna use the GoPro to record this. We've got all this right here. This is our GoPro stand. Here's one of our lights. I got these on Amazon, they were like 60 bucks. Got that cord there, just kind of setting up the lights a little bit. This one's already plugged in. And you can see the difference once we turn the light on. Oh, turn this one on. They're like soft box lights. This is behind the set here. This is what I look at when I'm looking at the camera. Gonna take our GoPro off our motovlog setup. The first thing we gotta check is our battery life. Got 100%, 8 hours on the SD card, ready to roll. We just shot our intro for the handlebar adjustment. So to do that, I had to adjust where the lights are so that it can see, or it can shine right on where we're gonna be working. I've got my camera angle here. I'm gonna set it up on a time lapse for this because that's kind of what I want this section to be. It's not gonna be super informational, just fun. We've got our toolbox over there. We've got our lights, we've got our camera, nothing else to do but finish up this video. Whew, it is hot in the garage. I've got the garage door closed to keep the light sustained in here how I want it and keep the sound out as best as I can while I'm working in this garage. Man, it's hot. You guys are gonna be super stoked when you see this video adjusting the handlebars. Super cool, moving forward, moving back, wherever you need. Kind of a free mod, if you will. Stock handlebars, used bike with different handlebars. It totally changes the feel of the bike. I'm not gonna show you what it looks like right now because you're gonna have to watch that video later when it comes out later this week to see what's up with that, why I did it, what it looks like now, what we went through in the video and all that kind of stuff. It's super hot. It's noon here in Las Vegas. It's probably 100 degrees and 110 degrees inside the garage when I had the door closed. Take a little quick break and then go for a test ride. Taking a little lunch break, going to Applebee's. Maybe have a couple drinks.
I gotta work today. I'm not drinking. Let's go to Petco. We're gonna take y'all into Petco so we can pick out this Terminator brush. Maybe tomorrow we'll show you the trash bag of hair.
Check my Instagram for a picture of the trash bag.
No, gross. I'm sorry he's doing that to you. We noticed that there's like a dog adoption happening. We're just gonna look, right? Oh, is that a cross card?
Applebee's was packed, so that's out of the
Where else are we gonna go?
I don't know.
I kind of want a Big Mac though. Like, I'd be perfectly content with a Big Mac with extra pickle.
When in doubt, just like...
McDonald's it out.
Can I get 2 Big Mac? Can I get a large sweet tea and a large Dr. Pepper? Can I get a large fry?
I feel bad for your viewers. A lot of footage. Every time I'm in one of your videos, it's different.
We're back from lunch. We've got our bike all packed up, ready to roll, and let's shoot some of these videos.
Had a little issue with my recording app. Somehow it stopped recording and then started playing the audio back to me, but it was in my pocket, so I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm just testing 1, 2, 3, going about 55 miles an hour, seeing how the audio is. Let's turn here. microphone. But I've got this cat talk on it. Let's turn right here on Jones. That dude won't rather like. Got to pull over here in a minute and check our audio, see what's going on with it. People out here driving crazy to be wild. Going about 60 miles an hour, just checking for wind noise, see what's going on with it. How noisy is it through this microphone with the windsock and the helmet. The nice microphone, the Cardo Packtalk, the whole nine.
We just got back from shooting our motovlog. We've got our footage on the GoPro. The audio checked out. That's awesome, because that's been a pain since I started this channel, is trying to get audio for the motovlogging. We got 3 out of 4 of the videos that I said we were gonna get done today. If you wanna see, obviously this is one, if you wanna see the other 2 videos, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and you'll find out when they come out. Other than that, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.